Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. So today we're going to talk a little bit about what I like to call the internal web of blogs. So what you're doing is you're focusing on creating an ecosystem within your website that is going to help you rank on search engines. Now, the way you do this is when you've written several blogs on the same topic, what you're going to want to start doing is connecting these blogs together by using internal linking. So you'll take one blog and you'll link it to another, which is relevant, and you'll link that to another. So for example, let's say one of the blogs that you've created has got some information that is relevant to another area that you're talking about. You'll want to create some information about that and potentially link back, and you'll want to have this happening every every couple of paragraphs, maybe 4, 5, 6 paragraphs. You'll want to link to at least one other blog within a blog. So by having this kind of structure, this shows that the content is related and it shows connections between the content. So what that does is when your site's being crawled, it says, here is a blog and it has relevant information in these blogs. So it will help all of your blogs to rank on search engines. And this will help you get more external traffic coming in from just the natural blogs that you're producing. Anyway, that's a very short tip, and I hope that's been helpful. We'll find out more in the next one.